the Attack have it. Palmu thought about passing it to Zapula. He really wanted it. Now Palmu in front for Hancock, scores! Long lead pass for Watson. He's onside, but Friend cuts him off. Good job by Jacob Friend. Watson gets it back. Trying to throw it out in front. Dalcole scores! Michael Dalcole. Hancock out there. And here comes Fogle. He's got Dalcole, and he's got DeRoche 3-on-1. Fogle walking in, passes it off, and they score! Fogle banks it in off Centerami, and Kingston wins this one in overtime.
20 seconds is all it takes, and Warren Fogle's 5th of the season is the OT winner.